Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be tackling our master bedroom. I'm giving it a good deep cleaning. One of my favorite things to do when deep cleaning a room is taking down the curtains and washing them, as well as the smaller rugs that can just be thrown into the washer. I am going to be changing out the curtains and some of the decor for a more spring feeling, so I hope you guys enjoy and it gets you motivated for everything you need to do today.
Walk me in the morning sun, tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great, running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay, a one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine in the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away, I'm chasing shadows around the place. It shouldn't take long now in any case, as long as there is light, pretending I could stay the night. One breath away, step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know. Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. Can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but you.
Now moving on to the kitchen. I just needed to gather all the trash and load the dishwasher, then wipe everything down, and my kitchen was nice and neat and clean.
No need to overanalyze it. We grew apart more every day. When times get rough, I try to tell you we need a fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but you sing to me. Simple as I say.
I had so much laundry to fold. I am the world's worst procrastinator when it comes to laundry. I don't mind to wash it and dry it, but then it sits for days sometimes before it's folded and put away. I am trying to come up with a really easy laundry routine where I can just do small loads at a time, just enough to wash, dry, and fold right then when I get it out of the dryer. I think I just look at a full basket of laundry and get overwhelmed and keep putting it off, but then end up with 3 or 4 baskets full, and that takes even longer. So, coming soon, I will have a laundry routine to help us all stay on top of our laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me and it motivated you to tackle your to-do list today. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Have an amazing day and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold